Hello, sir. Just gonna afraid that right now it's closed. Okay.
What's closed?
All this, so we're gonna have to go. All right, sir.
Okay.
All this is closed off. All right, sir. So we're gonna have to ask you to leave, sir. All right. You can take photos from that over there.
But not from
this
here. Open, man.
Yeah.
It's public.
No.
It's not taped up.
We have it closed off.
It's not
It
closed.
doesn't matter, but I'm telling you, sir.
That's not the way it works.
It's real simple, sir.
That's not the way it works, man.
You can move over there. Right now, you can't be here, sir.
You need to put tape up, man. It's open to the public.
Patrol car right there, sir. Anything this side of that patrol car?
That's not the way it works. That's not the way it works.
Need you to step back, sir.
You're gonna prevent me from recording?
Sir, you can record from that side of the patrol car.
Okay. So what's your name?
Flores.
Your name?
It's Lopez.
Lopez. You're preventing me from recording, right?
You can record from that side of the patrol car, sir.
If I don't,
Interference.
you know what interference is.
I'm telling you.
I know it by heart.
We are processing a crime scene here, sir. All right,
okay.
so I need you to step back behind that patrol car.
Or else?
You will be arrested, sir.
For interference?
Yes, sir.
For 3815.
You're inside of a crime scene, sir.
You will arrest me for 3815.
Yes, sir. So will you step back, please, to avoid any issues? Flores, badge number 822.
Perfect.
Have a good day.
You will arrest me, right?
You're past the police car, sir, so you're fine right there.
Okay.
I will in a minute if you don't get behind this line. You see that patrol car right there, sir?
Who was that?
You see that patrol car right
Who was that making the threat?
Don't worry about it. You see, behind that patrol car.
Who was that making the threat?
I'm Officer Martinez of the Police Department, Motorcycle Division. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, it's you.
Active investigation.
He already told me behind
put your hands behind your back.
He told me behind
Yeah,
the
but
unit.
we're working the whole scene.
He told me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Who has higher rank?
I'm telling you.
Who
Put your
has
hands behind your
higher
back.
rank?
Put your hands behind your back.
Watch it with a 32.
Do not reach for it.